Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for stepping by. My name is Alex, and um, long story short, last September I quit my job and then I started to do some cryptos, Bitcoin, and trading and stuff. And then the technology of the blockchain is so impressive to me. I liked it so much. This year I decided that I want to learn programming so I can be able to work in that field. Blockchain, smart contracts, Web3 related issues. So I created this channel for you guys so I can share with you everything that I'm learning. I haven't shared for the last couple of days because I started to learn academically from a website called Codeacademy. Obviously, I cannot just share whatever they're giving me because it's a paid thing, so I can't just share it for free. It's like some legal issues, but I can share with you what I learned so far. If you'd like to help me and to support me to reach my dream, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and give me a thumbs up. Also, write in the comments below anything that might help me in the future. I will share with you a lot of links down in the description that might be helpful for you, that explains things that I've went through over the past 2 weeks. So what I learned so far, as I said, I started to learn from Codeacademy. This is not an advertisement for them. I don't know if there's good or not yet because I've been learning for like 2 days now. I'm still trying to figure out what to do. And I started this course. I only finished like 4% out of it. It's like 83 lessons. It's about Python and data science. I didn't know which field to choose because when you start, they give you like multiple choices. What do you want to work on? Which field? So blockchain or like Web3 related, it wasn't on that list. So I didn't know which to choose. So I just hit data science, and I started this long lesson. It might take me a month to finish. I don't know. I'm trying to be as fast as possible. So what I learned so far is how to create a function. Probably you're seeing it on the screen now. So to create a function, you need to start with diff, for example. I don't know. Um, subscribe, and then open parentheses, and then I don't know. You put anything inside like num1 or number, and then you put some things inside the function so the function can do it. You put something and something that the function needs to do when you call it. For example, if num equals, or you know what, I can do the following. One subscribed equal 1 and not subscribed equal 2. So here, if num equals 1, print thanks, thank you, thanks a lot, oh, thanks a lot. And then else print please subscribe. And then here, when you print out, or when you call the function, it says there's something wrong here. Okay, it says, oh, I shouldn't. So here, when I call the function, just subscribe, and then I need to put between parentheses 1, let's say, and it will give me thanks a lot. If I put here 2, please subscribe, or if I put 10, please subscribe. So only one, that means. And here, when I put return, that is the difference. Wait, I know, I'm trying to fix it right now. When you put return, it doesn't print automatically. So when I call the function subscribe and I'm calling the function, it doesn't print, see? So what I need to do is to print and open parentheses and then call the function within the... Oh, there's something wrong. What's wrong with it? It was just working. So there's something wrong. Let's try. Oh, I forgot to put the 1. Let's say 1. I forgot to put this input. I forgot to enter this input. So that's what was missing. Thanks a lot. So the difference between print and return is like I want this value to be stored. Once I want it, I will call it to print again, but just store this value to me. If it's 10, please subscribe, as you can see. So that's what I learned. The difference between return is to store the value that you want to, but not necessarily print it out. And then when you print out and you call the function, you will have it here. But if I call the function here, see? Oh, just here's 1 second. Yeah, nothing will appear here because I didn't print it here, and the function only store the answer. So that's what I know. And I learned a lot about if statement now. I think I mastered if I don't know, x larger than y, then print something, print, I don't know, whatever, and then you do all this stuff related to the thing. So that's what I learned so far. I will update you with everything that I'm learning. I will leave in the link in the description. I will leave in the description some links for you guys. It might be useful. Also, I will make a full review about Codeacademy once I'm like full aware of what's going on and to see all the features that I can use and see how much actually I'm getting benefit out of it. Again, this is not an advertisement, so don't take it for granted. Make your own research. Thank you so much for watching so far. See you in the next one. Bye bye.